My new ELNA has arrived. Cover. The kettle and the plates. And for those of you that don't know, the ELNA is the same exact machine as the Janome 6700P. And here's the cords and the back to hold holds this up. And more packing. Whew, this is a load. There she is. And here's the extension table, which I love. And this knee lift just snaps in there. This is all the rest of my stuff. Case cover, CD, and all the walking foots, buttonholers, all that. I'm not going to go through all that, but you get the general gist of the idea. And then it comes with that big storage unit. I like that. And the cover. Okay, how to wind a bobbin on your Janome or your ELNA 6700P or ELNA 720 Pro. Alright, you set your spool up there, come around that, go behind this, get your thing started, pop it on there, then you're going to hit the bobbin, and when it's full, it's going to stop. But you can go ahead and manually stop it by hitting this button right here, the bobbin, which is what I usually do, because if it's overfilled, then it's going to be too tight and drag, and the machine's not going to sew. So a lot of times I just go ahead and turn mine off myself manually. Then you're going to move your thread over. Well, once you turn that off, it pops off, then you take your thread off. Cut your thread. Put in your bobbin. If you have any little thread sticking up right through there, I cut that thread right there at the top. Snip that. Make a P. Drop it in, hold your, oh, you can't see. Make a P with your bobbin. hold your thread. Come around this little track right here. Bring it over. And you can break your thread right there and then pop your cover right back on. Break your thread off and you're good to go. Ready to sew. So here's my new ELNA 720 Pro ELNA Excellence in her glory, all out. I have her, no, I don't have her threaded. I just wound a bobbin on her. I'm going to thread her. I'm going to take her for a test drive and get to work. Okay, I got my Janome going, lit up, and I got the straight stitch walking foot on here because, or high speed, whatever you want to call it, because I'm going to be doing some quilting piecing. And I put it on this stitch over here, and this stitch is good for if you want to have hem up jeans or something. And I'll show you on this fabric here. It's a little bit, might show up better. Now I had that on the stitch length of 410. And see, it does kind of a double. That's good for hemming. So, that was the bottom. This was the top. And like I said, that's good for doing denim jeans and things. See how nice that is? I'll be doing some more on this new Janome I have here. I mean, I'll call it a Janome. It's the same thing as a Janome, but this is an ELNA 720 Excellence. 720 Pro Excellence. Same exact machine as the Janome 6700P. And I'm just showing you what stitch that is I used. It shows it 3 stitches there on the left, but that's not what it's doing. It's doing the straight stitch. I guess those are the different positions you can move your needle to. And anyway, so I have it set at 4.10, and I just showed you what it did. And that's it. Alright, so that's my new Janome. There we go again. My new ELNA. And I'll be talking to you about her again some more. Any videos you want to see about this machine, let me know, and I'll get them going. Happy sewing. Bye.